two dimensions technical trading. Two dimensions technical trading. Let's get started. We are on a monthly chart of Williams Sonoma Incorporation. The epic is WSM Whiskey Sierra Mike, and we want to discuss two dimensions technical trading. There is a phenomenon that is always often taking place in the financial market that I prefer to call two dimensions a price action. All right. So there's what this is based on one simple principle, that what has happened below is likely to happen above, or as it was above, shall it be below also. All right? So I don't know whether you have ever heard about that, but it's something to do with Isaac Newton theory, blah, 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 blah. So there is a reaction below a specific price level, and we know the pattern, okay? Now the same, pattern will happen, the same phenomenon will take place above that specific price level. This is what I like to call two-dimension, technical trading. There are a lot of, technical traders and investors out there that already know this. Probably they will get a little bit upset that I'm sharing this in a public place because they will prefer it to be a secret. But I don't think it's a big secret. We can talk about it in a public place, all right? So if you look at this stock, Williams Sonoma Incorporation, hopefully my pronunciation is correct, you can see that the stock from this price level here, all right, did something. There is a phenomenon in the financial market that the stock has shown here. It went down, and then it went back to that specific price. That price level was around $45. So look what the price did. As a price, so this is the phenomenon below that specific price, $45. As the price goes above it, the price did similar things. So the price went up again, and now it's coming back again to retest that specific price. So you see this shape here, price went down and went up. Now it went above it, it went up, and now it's going back down. So this reaction here is happening as it happened below. So the price went up, now it's coming down. There's a high chance that it's going to come back to this line. This is what we call two-dimension, a technical trading. As it was below, so shall it be above, or as it was above, shall it be below. So with that information, some stock, you will see that they will repeat this phenomenon, many times. So what do I mean by that? Let me show you. By the way, if this is the first time, you heard about something like this, don't behave like a child, and then you say, oh, this doesn't make any sense at all right, or I don't see the point of this. But I can assure you that there are smart money out there that are just using this two-dimension technical trading, all right? So sometimes, I remember myself before when I was starting first, I see things on the net, and I say, this is useless stuff, this doesn't make any sense. And a few years later, I see that, well, what these people were talking about is correct. So do not be quick, all right, to discounting, especially in the financial market. That's not a good attitude. So that's why myself personally, I don't very often mark video down on YouTube. I don't, especially trading video, I don't very often mark them down. Sometimes a trader is learning something or discovering something and talk about it on YouTube. And then people go and they say, but it's just a statement. I discovered this, this has worked for me, and I'm talking about it. That's his right to talk about it openly. Now, it's down to the people to like what he said or to agree. This is the correct word, to agree or to disagree. People can always disagree. So it's your view. keep it for yourself, all right? Disagree, that's okay. But disagree, well, that's fine. But don't discount what the person is talking about. You can disagree, but don't say that it's completely wrong. Because if you are a very popular person, you say that this is completely wrong, and a few years later, you discover that in fact what the person is talking about is true, then you're going to come back now, okay, kneeling and begging for mercy. All right, and you look really silly because, all right, first you discount it loudly, now you come back to say that in fact it was correct. All right, so with this information, you see now the stock did that, which I'm talking about, two-dimension technical trading. So sometimes you will see the price will do something like this, as you see here, around a specific price level. And then we go up, we'll do exactly that, okay? We do a similar, okay, thing, and then pull back to the same price level. And sometimes you will see the price will come back again down, again like this, and we'll do again, repeat that phenomenon. Price will be going around that, okay, specific price, repeating it over and over. And the investor or traders that understand this will take advantage of, okay, the price action that is, okay, copying what has happened below, above, what has happened above, and also below. All right? And sometimes you will see that the price will do this. So you see here, it went like this, pull back. It may go down all the way here and then repeat the same thing. Or the price will do something like this. The price will go back up again, which means similar phenomenon above, but this time, and then you will see there will be another level like this. Okay, another price level. I don't have enough room to draw above that line, but just pay attention. And the price will copy, we do exactly the same thing above again. I don't have enough room, so if you agree, if you just accept that I'm trying to copy this and put it up like this, upside down, okay? And the price will do that above that line. So here it is. As you see this stock, it can go below this level and do exactly the same thing. I don't have room here to draw the line, so understand that. Or the price may go back up where it is now, up to this point, may go back up, and then we have a new price level here, above it, and the price will go, I'm trying to, I don't know whether I will be to show you clearly, okay, and the price will go above this level and do similar thing again, above that level. Are you getting the message? Are you getting the message? All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. By the way, if you are watching this for the first time, and if this is the first time you hear something like this of two-dimension technical analysis, and maybe it doesn't make any sense to you, go away, all right? Think of it, sleep on it, okay? Over here, maybe it will make sense to you, or you will disagree with me, okay, forever, all right? But I want you to get a message clear that this is what we call a two-dimension, all right? A technical trading, when the price will do something below a specific price level, as the price goes above that level, we will do the, okay, repeat the same thing upside down, okay? So as it was below, so it is also above. So the price may do that many times. So you see here, we did that, then it goes above, did exactly that. It may come back down and do that. Or it will go up, okay, which means another line. So we may have another price level, and the price will do exactly the same thing. Go above, like this, and then down, like this. And you will see it over and over. This phenomenon that we see here at a specific price level, price went now. Here, if you see this, you know that this is, okay, a two-dimension technical analysis taking place here. Now, as this, okay, trend line here is coupled, the price out of this channel, okay, break below, retest, turn around, you implement your top-down trading method, you know that there's a high chance that this stock will return back here. Now, as you can see, a lot of traders knew that, and they sold this stock, and now we are here. It may go back up all the way up here and come down, or it will extend it all the way up here, only so something like this. There are many scenarios, but it just, I'm finding it a bit difficult to draw on this chart because of the way. Let me remove some line, and I will show you. Moment, please, traders. Allow me to remove my lines so I can show you another illustration of what can happen on my chart, because I don't have room on my right hand side to draw on my chart. It would be nice to have a trading software that will allow you to extend this portion of the chart. Or is anything else I need to know about the TC2000 to have rooms on the right hand side, free space where you can draw things? That would be great stuff, as I'm showing you here, to do a projection into the future. So what I'm talking about, you see here, as now what we have is that the price is now above, okay, this line, yes or no? So suppose it's here. Okay, so I want to draw. Let's consider this as the current, okay, price action above the $45. So that's where we are, all right? Okay, that's where we are. Sometime, let's push this down a bit because I need room. There is another scenario, okay? The price may go up like this, okay? But may not stop here, but will extend it, okay, double times this price action here. So you see here, it went up like this, it went up like this, but this time it will do double. So which means the price will go above, okay, it's like a projection of the height. You see here, see the height of this price action. So you consider this like a triangle, went up, come down, consider as a height, the price will go up to double, okay, project it to the side, and we go up to this point. So probably go above this height, extend it, double the height of this price action here, and before it will pull back and then retest it again, all right, and then continue, all right, to go up or repeat that phenomenon. So there is one scenario, you see here where we are now, come down. You may continue to go up above this high, which means somewhere here above it, and then pull back again to retest the top of this level, forming another, okay, phenomenon as we have seen before. This price action, this V chart pattern here, it will form the inverted V above, okay, that level. So you have a V chart pattern below the $45, and now you have the inverted V above, okay, the $45. This is what we call, okay, two-dimension technical analysis. In all cases, if you notice that this phenomenon is occurring, you want to consider that as a trading setup, and then you will implement a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method to trade it. If the signal fails, you will come out. Always do not assume anything, all right? Do not assume that definitely this is exactly what's going to happen, all right? But just flow with the price, okay, and trade it like a pro on the edge. This is just an introduction to the two-dimension technical trading. As it was below, so shall we be above. As you can see here, the price turned around below that $45. It went above it, it's turning around to retouch it again. So it starts from the $45, it returned to the $45 below. Now it went above that $45, it starts from the $45 level. Now it returned back to the $45, okay, level. This is the two-dimension technical analysis. This is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course I will record another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about two dimensions technical trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.